What's going on, YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and we are back with another video. So this is Tile's brand new, recently came out Tile Slim. So this is something that's supposed to go in your wallet. And if you go down to comment and it says comments are turned off, it's because a long time ago I posted some videos of my daughter's progress with her cerebral palsy. And yeah, YouTube decided my whole channel should have no comments because of that choice. So that may get updated and fixed in the future, hopefully. But for now, please reach me on Twitter or Instagram for questions. So let's have at it. Let's check this thing out. Now, I'm a huge Tile fan. I actually have a Tile on my daughter's lanyard because it has her locker or her key to her locker at school. It's got one on her backpack. It's got one on her little like mini purse, things for her girly stuff to go in. And so we can easily find it in the morning and not be late for school. I've got one on my badge, which is dead. I had one in my wallet, one of the slim ones, but it died. So I replaced it. I replaced it with a Tile Mate, and I just, I kept losing them. So I basically just zip tied it, you know? So now it doesn't come out, and I can replace the battery when it dies. But here we go. Wow, that is a lot slimmer than I thought it was going to be. Like, to the picture and everything, it just looked like it was going to be a lot bigger. Now, for your wallet, obviously, like, you're going to put it in one of your things here, and there you go. There you go. You got a Tile in your wallet. I'm going to keep mine with the Mate here so I can replace that battery, because this one you can't replace the battery on. So I'm going to keep the Mate in here just because it's worked out well for me. It doesn't make it that much thicker. And yes, I'm a Destiny fanboy. This is a Titan wallet I got a while back. So while most people will probably be sticking this in their wallet or purse or something, which is what it's meant for, I will be using it in my work badge because the Tile Mate currently works for me. I can't lose it, and it just simply works for me. So I'm going to be putting this in my wallet. So let's, oh my God, that's loud. Holy crap. See, look, these are all my old tiles. So we're going to click the button, hit next. Do I got to hold it? Oh, there we go. Hey, ID badge. Well, that's loud as crap. Like, that's impressive that something this small gets that freaking loud. And there we go. So now we have our ID badge. We've got our keys, and we've got our wallet. So this is my work badge, and I've had it for a while, and this Tile has been dead, completely dead. So here we go. Here's the old one, and this is the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out, and let's compare the two. So now the new one and the old one. And the old one is a little bit, like, shorter. It's actually a tiny bit thicker than the new one, just the tiniest bit thicker. But there you go. So now my dead one that doesn't work anymore, I can put it in here with my badge. And now if I can't find my badge, I open up the Tile app and I find my badge. That's very loud. So that is quite awesome. And we're all set up and ready to go. Oh no, I can't find my ID badge. Oh, there it is. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the little bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. You have served me well, but you are going away. I'm gonna dispose of you properly. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're not doing so already, because that's going to be the way you get in touch with me until the YouTube fixes this whole crap. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm out.